As the digital landscape evolves and organizations increasingly adopt advanced technologies like AI, the role of the Chief Trust Officer is becoming more crucial. This position focuses on ensuring that the organization operates with integrity, transparency, and accountability, fostering trust among stakeholders. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In the rapidly changing digital landscape, the increasing polarization of media, geopolitical uncertainties, and heightened stakeholder expectations have collectively made trust a paramount concern for executives. In this environment, the role of the Chief Trust Officer has emerged as a strategic leader to help build and maintain trust across the organization and its surrounding ecosystems. The role is essential for fostering a positive corporate culture, enhancing employee satisfaction, ensuring compliance, maintaining digital trust, and delivering exceptional customer experiences. By making one person directly accountable to the board, the organization can better navigate the complexities of trust building in today's dynamic business environment. As data privacy concerns escalate, especially with new regulations, having a dedicated role to oversee compliance and ethical data handling is essential. With this, AI is getting more pervasive. There is need for ethical AI practices grows. The CTRO ensures that AI applications are fair, transparent, and accountable, mitigating risks associated with biased or opaque AI systems. Secondly, consumers are increasingly demanding transparency and ethical behavior from companies. The CTRO addresses these expectations by ensuring the organization's practices align with these values. Thirdly, governments and regulatory bodies are imposing stricter regulations on data privacy, security, and AI ethics. The CTO ensures the organization meets these regulatory requirements, avoiding legal and financial penalties. Indeed, many Indian companies prioritize trust and data security, while the specific title of Chief Trust Officer (CTRO) may not be prevalent. The responsibilities associated with the role are often distributed among various leadership positions. This reflects a global emphasis on trust and data protection in business operations. The increasing importance of the Chief Trust Officer reflects the need for organizations to prioritize trust, transparency, and ethical practices in an era of rapid technological advancements. By focusing on these areas, the CTO helps build and maintain trust with stakeholders, ensuring long term success and resilience in a dynamic digital landscape. Let's look into today's headlines. OpenAI signs content agreements with Vox Media and The Atlantic. To improve its AI tools, OpenAI, under the direction of Sam Altman, has partnered with The Atlantic and Vox Media on content and products. Through these partnerships, OpenAI is able to train its language models with access to news content and archives. The agreements are intended to help news publishers become more profitable in the digital sphere while also advancing OpenAI's technology. Truecaller launched AI scam call detection in US. In order to tackle AI scam calls, Truecaller unveiled an AI call scanner that made its US premiere. In order to prevent frauds, the function evaluated callers' sounds in real time and distinguished between voices produced by AI and those of humans. It is available to Android subscribers of Truecaller Premium and attempts to counter the rise of AI voice scams in which con artists impersonate well known voices in order to trick their victims. Zenify is acquired by BharatX to join the medical loan market. Zenify, a healthcare finance business offering low cost and free EMI options, has been purchased by BharatX. As a result of the agreement, Padam Kataria, co founder and CEO of Zenify, will become the head of business for healthcare at BharatX. The Zenify team may take advantage of the current loan platform and attain improved economies now that they are a part of BharatX. Furthermore, BharatX will be able to enter the healthcare industry due to this acquisition. Amazon India to buy MX Player in a distressed sell. Amazon is in discussions to buy Times Internet owned MX Player. In January 2018, Times Internet paid $140 million to acquire MX Player. The MX Player team, led by CEO Karan Bedi, is expected to become a director of Mini TV. The reported deal value is approximately $50 million. PayPal appoints new executives to create new advertising platform. PayPal has disclosed the employment of new executives who will spearhead the development of a fresh platform for advertising and fortify the company's offer to customers. Mark Grether will join on May 28 as SVP General Manager PayPal Ads, and John Anderson has joined as SVP General Manager Consumer Group. Grether and Anderson will report to Diego Scotti, EVP General Manager Consumer Group and Global Marketing and Communications. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.